Hello guys, today I'm gonna unbox the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B. The Model B have 1 GB, 2 GB and 4 GB model. I choose my mind to I make my mind to choose 2 GB model for me. I order from Pi Australia, the little bird electronics, they call element 14 or something else. Yeah, I order from them. I got the quick delivery in 1 day. I ordered on Thursday, I got in the Friday. Yeah, that's a quick, though it was not far from my location. Yeah, I got the Raspberry Pi 4 computer, Model B, 2 GB RAM. Yes, tiny and very powerful computer. As they claim that is the pocket size. Here I have the MasterCard, and yeah, it's exactly fit the MasterCard. It's really the credit card size computer. It has two USB 2 port, two USB 3 port, the gigabit Ethernet with no throughput limitation, and that's wow exactly, and two HDMI, the micro HDMI 2, which can support the 4K resolution video, and the powerful processor, that's 1.5 gigahertz 64-bit quad-core ARM Cortex A72 processor. That's a very fastest one, and the choice of the RAM 1 GB, 2 GB and 4 GB, and yeah, and it have the micro SD card. And I have the another very old Raspberry Pi, that's the Raspberry Pi 1 Model B. It's the 2011-12 model. There are drastic change between the Model 1 and the Model 4. Yeah, it's already 8 years between the first and the latest, the Raspberry Pi. And the Raspberry Pi 4 is the latest one and very powerful than the previous one. In the previous, the Model B plus, it have the 1.4 gigabit processor. Yeah, and this one is the very powerful one with 4K resolution video supports, which the previous one doesn't have. Let's see. I will do some demonstration of the processing of Raspberry Pi 4 Model B. Okay guys, see you later. I hope I can make another video on the performance of the Raspberry Pi 4, and for now, goodbye, have a good one, bye bye, see you later.